Hi, welcome to CyberLabs. Kindly subscribe for more cybersecurity content. I have a picture and there is a secret message inside it. I need to read that message and complete the task. A very simple image that was sent to me. When opened, it looks like nothing more than a plain picture, but there could be a dangerous message inside it. So to view this, we only need Kali Linux, a few commands, and a tool named Steghide. Let's scan it and see if that's really the case. For this, we will need a tool to install in Kali machine. In the command, we will write sudo apt update and sudo apt install Steghide. Why? This command will update system first and then install our tool. Alright, I already have the tool installed. Now let's scan our secret image and see. We will write the command steghide info kali.jpg. Here, instead of Kali, you have to write the image file name. We will press enter and look at the result. There is a .txt file inside it. We will extract this file and see what is written inside. We will run the command steghide extract sf kali.jpg. Oh, it is asking for a password. I don't have that. So what should be done then? Brute forcing? Alright, let's brute force it. We do brute forcing if the password is unknown and you want to break that password protection. We will run the command stegseek kali.jpg/usr/share/wordlists.rocku.txt. As soon as this command is executed, all the passwords present in this dictionary will be tested. If any of these passwords match, we will get it. As you just saw, we have found the password. This was really easy. Alright, now let me do the next step. We will run the command again, steghide extract sf kali.jpg. We will enter the password at the passphrase prompt and the secret file has been extracted. Let me open it and see what is written. cat secret.txt. Oh, we found the secret message. So now let's go see how this file ended up inside this picture. For this, you will simply need an image in JPG format, just like the one present here, and a message written in a text editor. After keeping both files in the same folder, you have to run these commands. Steghide embed cf image.jpg/ef secret.txt. cf cover file specifies the main image in which data will be hidden. ef embed file specifies the secret file that needs to be hidden. Now it will ask us to set a password and we will create any password here. And our secret message picture is ready. Now you can send it to anyone to deliver the message.